Yeah, I mean, I think they can give logical advice. Sure, that could be helpful, even if they hadn't. That sometimes parents, like in any other situation, wouldn't you think, as a parent, that you're too close to the situation? How many parents can have a reasonable, rational perspective on their own children? Not many. And so can a non-parent on a particular issue have advice or comments that give you better perspective? Of course.
What if they've never had children?
I'm not sure that matters on a particular issue. Depends on the issue. You know, even if they hadn't had children, you know, they may have a perspective to say, should you discipline that child in this instance? Or should you call bullshit on that kid's behavior? They may have a perspective that helps you hone in on that. Yeah, I don't think it matters on certain issues. Sure. I mean, can you give advice to someone who's running a business if you hadn't run that business? Yeah, you can. And so it just depends.